Video begins. Bitcoin has been on a wild ride, smashing past the $115,000 mark. But the big question on every trader's mind is, what's next? Is this a launchpad to new all-time highs, or are we about to hit a wall? Looking at the current market mood, there's a fascinating split. On one hand, the bulls are out in full force. We're seeing strong confidence, with many pointing to a significant inflow of funds and powerful upward chart patterns. The prevailing belief seems to be that we are in a clear bull market. However, there's also a noticeable wave of caution. Some analyses point to a potential short-term reversal after such a rapid climb. Technical indicators on some charts are flashing overbought, suggesting the market might need to cool off before its next leg up. Let's break down the key price levels. Right now, Bitcoin is trading in a critical zone. The area around $118,000 is acting as a major ceiling, a strong point of resistance where sellers appear to be taking profits. If the price fails to break through this level, we could see a pullback towards key support. The first line of defense seems to be around the $115,000 to $116,000 range. A more significant support level is being watched closely between $112,000 and $113,000. For those looking for buying opportunities, a dip to these levels could be a point of interest. On the flip side, if the bulls can decisively break and hold above that $118,000 resistance, the path could open up for some very ambitious targets. Some analysts are eyeing prices well above $140,000, with some long-term charts even suggesting a potential run towards $151,000 and even as high as $175,000. So, to sum it all up, the overall market sentiment is bullish, but we're at a critical short-term crossroad. Resistance at $118,000 is the key battleground. A rejection could send us back to test support, while a clean breakout could fuel the next major rally. The current situation is a classic case of long-term optimism meeting short-term uncertainty. Trade smart and keep a close eye on these key levels.